A tremendous amount of research is going on to help stop the pandemic. So in tonight's sponsored Utah success story, Doug Jessup profiles a company that is getting nosy about COVID-19.
When it comes to COVID-19 hygiene, you know you're supposed to wash your hands. But have you thought about washing your nose? Social distancing and masks are something that a lot of people are using to stop the spread of COVID-19. I went to visit a Utah-based hygiene company to learn more about what they're doing.
The Clear products, spelled X-L-E-A-R, are all about the upper airway.
Nate Jones is the founder and president of Clear. I asked him what he knows about the virus that causes COVID.
The virus lives in the upper airway. That's its dominant site. We've known that since March when they put in an article in the New England Journal of Medicine where they showed roughly 90% of the viral load is in your nose, which means if you have 1,000 viruses, 900 of them are living in your nose.
The University of Connecticut School of Medicine has found that something called viral inactivation may not only prevent person-to-person spread of COVID, but may also diminish the severity of the disease in patients by decreasing their viral load delivered to the lungs.
If you have something that's deactivating the virus, destroying the virus, which there are ingredients in our nasal spray that we've been using for years that we just found out do that. And those studies were done at Utah State University, University of Geneva.
The University of Tennessee Health Science Center reports that something as simple as using antiviral nasal sprays may slow down the disease progression and transmission.
The analogy that I use is if you have a wasp nest above your playground, you don't sit there and wait for the government to get rid of all the wasps in the world. You don't sit there with a fly swatter and swat them as they sting your kids. You go spray the wasp nest.
With another Utah success story, I'm Doug Jessup, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Doug. Seems like we learn something new about this pandemic every single day. If you want to see more Utah success stories or nominate a company for Doug to profile, just go to abc4.com/success. Okay, Adam.